Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to fix the windows on a 2000 Audi A6, and I'm going to show you what tools you need. This will actually work on any Audi with about the same model, 2000 to about 2006. So here we go. Okay YouTube, so the problem that I'm having is that the window is going down but it doesn't come back up. And what happens is they all have the same problem. It's very easy to fix. There's a few videos on YouTube, but I think they kind of get you confused and they're super long. But all you're gonna need is just to replace this part right here. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna tell you the part number and what to do. First we're gonna take off the door, and this is the tools that you're gonna need to take off the door. Very easy. So you're gonna need a flathead, a star, and you're gonna need, this is very important, you're gonna need this star pieces, and I'm gonna tell you their sizes. This is a T45, there's a T25, and there's a T20. So this one is gonna be for the frame of the window, of the whole door basically. This one is gonna be for the T25 is I think for this clips, another clip that goes on top of this, and then this one is for the two screws to take out the door. The part number for this thing, I went to the dealer. This is the part number. You can pause the video and get it from there. The dealer was asking $25 a piece, and I needed two for each door, which was $91. I said, nah, thank you very much. I went on eBay and I bought it for $8 a pair. So I bought both all four for $16, and I'm gonna show you how to install it. All you're gonna need is that and 10 healthy fingers. You can do it with 9 fingers, but that'll be just 90% of your full potential. I'm gonna show you step by step. We're gonna start by taking off this screw and this screw on this side. Those two, you take those two out and then you can bring up the door. I'll show you that in just a minute. Okay, so I took off those two screws, and then the other thing we have to take off is this piece right here. And to take that is very easy. If you see in the back, there's a hole right there, and all you have to do is just anything that will fit, just put it in there and push up, and then that will pop it open, and then you can remove it from there. I'm gonna take that off, and then I'm gonna show you how to pull up the door. Okay, so I removed the screws. I took out this part, and I already lifted it up a little bit, but I just want to show you how it goes, where you just lift up and it just comes down apart, and then you just have to take apart all the cables and wiring. Okay guys, so I took off the door. I'm sorry I'm doing this during the nighttime, but I didn't have any other time. So it's just a few clips, plugins here and there. Very simple. You can just do those with your hands. This is the door. You can see how you just lift up and it comes out, so you can see the system. Now after this, there's 4 screws that we need to take out, so we can take out the whole frame. One of them is here. This is the T45 that I was telling you about. This is 1, 2 down here. So it's 1 up there, 2 down there, and then 1 on each side, 1 on this side. 3, it's in here. You see it, and then 4 is up here. 4. You take those off. Also, make sure to unplug the mirror and any other electrical stuff, and then the frame will come up straight up. Okay, when removing the door and removing all the clips and everything, this ones you can reuse them. Unplug everything. Make sure you take this apart. Just pull it out, the little plastic. Unplug this, and then this little rubber thingy. You can it's clips. Also, you can. It's 3 clips, 1 underneath and then 2 on top. Remove those out. If we come to this side, that's basically the same mechanism. There's actually a screw here. Take that one out with the saw, and then the door will just come up straight after you remove all 4 of these. Okay guys, so after you take off all those screws, lift the door up and it comes up straight with the glass and everything. The frame comes out. So now I have it laying on the floor. This is where you're gonna come in with the size 25 star and take out these 2 screws, this one and that one, and then with that, after we take those off, we can remove the glass. By taking off the glass, then we have access to the blue pieces of plastic that we're going to replace. Okay, so I took off those screws. Once you take it off, pop this like this, both of them. Once you do that, you can see that the glass just comes up straight. I'll put the glass aside. Alright, so I took off those plastics. Fairly easy. You won't have any trouble with that. This is the problem that breaks. To remove it, just turn to the left, and you can see how it works. So basically, this plastic should have come and covered on the top as well, but it doesn't. So we're gonna remove this and replace it with a new one. Once you have that, you can work your way out of it. Remove the wire, and I need both of my hands for this, but maybe not. I think I do. Okay, so this is the new one. As you can see, it's not broken. It's new. Let me show you one of the old ones. Like for example, this one. You can see how it was broke on top. So you can lower the window, but you can't close it because when it goes up, the wire just goes straight, and that thing won't take it. But this one is sealed. So the process is easy. Just press this in here. It should just pop in. But pop that in. Flip it to the side, and I need both hands to do this. Push it in, flip it to the side, and then put put this inside of here, and make sure the wire goes through those holes. Fairly simple. So I already inserted both of them. I'm just gonna show you how to put this, which is very easy. Just drop it in like this. That's it. Now we're gonna put the glass and then close it and then put the screw. Same thing on the other side. I'm also gonna go ahead and add some WD-40 just to avoid this problem from happening again. With WD-40 will help the system lubricate and stop having so much friction. That way you can avoid this problem from happening in the future. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of WD-40 here. I'll show you guys in a minute. But let me go ahead and put this one. I got somebody to help me with the camera. So that's that. And let me go ahead and put the glass as well. After you put the glass in the frame, push it in and make sure it fits in those little holes, which it should, just like that. And then we're gonna close it, and we're going to add the screws that we had. Just a minute, let me show you. So we're gonna add this ones. So that's gonna go there. This one's gonna go here. It helps if you have a drill, which I do, but you have to play it safe. You don't want to break any. This is plastic, so it's better if you do it by hand. And then same process here. Now we're ready to install everything back in the car. Okay guys, so I put everything back together, same process, just backwards. Didn't have any issues. Same screws, just drop it in. Now the window works fine. So if you like this video, please subscribe, give us a like. It helps us for future references, and it encourages us to do more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.